Hello, we are Blue Collar Bobbers, and first of all, we would like to thank Robert for bringing this brand spanking new Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Custom. This thing is absolutely gorgeous with our kits installed on it. I'm going to do a quick walk around to show you. Everybody loves this big 21-inch front wheel, and then the newer ones, they blacked them out, so it kind of makes them even cooler. But let me do a quick walk around. We'll explain stuff. These things have become our best sellers. The one on our homepage is the maroon one. It's a classic model, and this is the custom. This has a smaller headlight, bigger front wheel. Basically, they're the same bike though, you know, just down deep, they're all the same, just a little few cosmetic differences. You'll notice on the back, we have our seat kit, and then we also installed our 1931 Ford black nickel light kit on this one. And then what really makes the bike is that bobber fender. Gosh, it just came out so nice. We just had it painted to match the rest of the bike, so it was a really simple process. To bob these bikes is very simple. We designed the kits to make it just fun and easy, and if anybody can do it just while the bike's on a kickstand. Now this one has the vertical license bracket, has the 1931 Ford vintage light. I'll pull the brake lever to show you how bright it is. Super bright, and all our lights are running and signals, so the more light the better. You'll notice Robert picked out the real nice leather diamond black seat. Matches this bike perfectly. These bikes are they just have the line, just tough looking, you know. They're just really tough, really good looking bikes. And then we have the handlebar powder coated black, which kind of adds to the blackness of the bike. Has black nickel turn signals on the front. Stock headlight. The one really important feature on this, and I'll show you, that we kind of go to great pains to design the kit so you can take the seat off real quick. So if you have to access your battery for some reason, this is really cool. So the way it works, you just remove this bolt, and two on the other side. And the whole seat just pops right off. Still leaves the lights and everything in place. It just makes it fun and easy because eventually you'll have to get that battery, either replace it or charge it. So just one more little feature that we include in these kits. So there you have it. Robert's 2024 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Custom Bobber. So cool.